Hi team, Lauren Hagen here. So we just finished horizontal breakdown. Here's a couple things that we discovered is that the head is like a map. When we know where exactly we're working, whether it's vertically or it's horizontally, this is where we can customize all of our haircuts for our clients. So let's recap. What is horizontal breakdown? Horizontal breakdown identifies the 5 areas of the head form. What we discovered is that we have the nape, we have the back, the crown, the top, and then the left and the right side. How this is beneficial for us in the salon is we can really start to customize each area in our haircuts, whether we need to change our elevation or our over direction or our finger angle. Also, it gives us consistency. Every time your client comes back in, you'll know exactly what area you did what elevation in or over direction to be able to change the haircut or keep the haircut the same. So again, horizontal breakdown is a great roadmap to utilize when understanding exactly the 5 areas of the head. All right, good luck in the salon with horizontal breakdown.